In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Zoho CRM. Even though we're focusing on email, a really important part of getting the most out of Zoho is making sure your layout is smart and dynamic so that the right information appears at the right time. That's exactly what we'll set up together using layout rules in the Deals module. First, we'll prepare the layout by creating the sections and fields that we eventually want to show or hide based on the deal stage. In Zoho CRM, go to Setup, then Customization, then Modules and Fields, and choose the Deals module. This takes you into the Layout Editor. Here you can drag and drop a new section onto the page and add any custom fields you need into that section. For example, you might create a section that you only want visible when a deal is in a proposal stage, with fields like proposal amount or expected close date. For now, it's fine if these sections are effectively hidden because they aren't yet tied to any rules. Once all the sections and fields you need are in place, you're ready to create the layout rules that will control when these sections appear. Next, we'll create the actual layout rule that controls visibility based on the stage field. Still in the Deals Layout Editor, look for the Layout Rules option, usually in the top right. Click that, then select New Layout Rule. Give your rule a clear name and a brief description so you'll recognize it later. Now choose the stage field as the main field that will control this rule. Set your condition, such as stage's proposal or price quote. This tells Zoho exactly when this rule should be applied. Once that's set, click Next to move on. Now it's time to define what happens when that condition is met. On the rule page, you'll see the condition you just set already filled in. Click Trigger an action, then choose an action type from the list, like Show Section. On the right-hand side, select the specific section that should appear, for example, your proposal details section. You can go further by also making certain fields mandatory at that stage or hiding other sections that aren't relevant. This keeps your layout clean and ensures users only see what they need. Finally, save the rule. You can repeat this same process for each deal stage you care about, pairing each stage with the section and fields that make sense for that part of your pipeline.